almost done. We are ready to go.
I'm ready.
Today, I'm doing the ride from Maradi to the capital city of Niger Republic, Niamey. Abdulkadir and Isiaq, a Nigerian guy in Maradi, decided to ride with me out of town.
My bike has gone up and it's not coming on again. I fixed the fuse in Kano and I was told it was totally fixed.
What's wrong?
My bike is out, it's not coming on again. I think it's a fuse problem, but it had a fuse problem. I fixed it in Kano. They said it's okay. I don't know.
What is the fuse? Okay.
Fuse. No, I think I just have to check it. They said it's the headlamp. They said it is my fuse is affecting the headlamp. That's what they said. But I don't know. It looks like that's not correct now.
Wow.
Please, can you help me put it on so we see?
Okay.
It's on now.
No.
So it's the fuse then?
But I don't.
Oh, no, I don't think it's fuse. Because with fuse, it wasn't coming on.
Okay. You know, please, I
don't understand.
No problem.
I want small wire so that I would
Join them.
yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
I don't go off again.
I think until I reach Niamey,
No.
Yeah, no.
I go check them again for Niamey tomorrow.
So
I'm gonna check it.
off on. Well, start them again. Oh, by the grace of God,
May not
problem
happen
don't
again.
My chain was clanking badly because it was loose, so we decided to go to a mechanic's workshop to tighten it.
talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. That's it.
No, it's still soft. Is it not still a bit soft?
No, nice.
Can it be just a bit stronger? It will still they do like this.
But no, just look at that. No, I would.
After fixing the chain, he took the bike for a test and back.
How much are we paying?
Yeah, small price.
Yeah.
Small change.
Maybe?
Yeah. This is 250.
Okay. Move like this. Better. Go.
Oh, now leave me for here, huh?
God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll let you know when I get to.
No, funny.
It's straight directly, right?
Straight. No, funny.
Thank you so much.
Soldier.
So you are going back to Maradi straight?
Yeah.
Now they do Sunday ride.
No.
You let me tell Mohammed that I'm on my way.
Yeah.
Let me.
Don't worry.
No problem. Thank you.
Don't worry,
Thank you. God bless you. See, you know they start from one at all.
Okay.
I won't go before this toll at all. It's too late. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
The roads were so good that I started getting bored, so I decided to stop to use my earpods for some music. So this is the only road that connects the border to the capital city Niamey. So because of that, there are so many trucks. When I started approaching this truck, I had clutched in because I was slowing down, so my tires had lost grip. The two big trucks covered the gravel on the road and I saw it too late. Emergency braking would have been a bad idea because my tires had no grip. When I lost control, I didn't want to risk being hit by a truck while struggling to balance the bike, so I swerved so I could crash softly on sand.
Thank you. I have a very headache. Headache. It's headache. Yeah. Paracetamol. Is there anywhere paracetamol?
Okay, you want buy?
Where?
Can't she?
I think I have a big lip. It's so painful. Is there anywhere for paracetamol? What of? I can see in front. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Just go slowly. Very, 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 very slowly. That was so unexpected. What? Ah. Ah. Now I'm worried. I'm worried. I'm so worried. Now I will just be at 60, 70. So I don't get any surprises again. Oh my God. I'm not sure how I feel. Ah. Now this is the problem. The last person who helped me fix this bike set it so that it only comes on neutral, which I never like. Now I can't take it back to neutral. It's not going down and I can't put it on. Why did you set it like this? Try not to fry. I'm taking it to neutral. It's not going. I was supposed to fix it in near me to be able to put it on when it's on gear. What do I do now? Okay, yeah, it's working. Thank you. Yeah, neutral. Thank you. Thank you very much. You speak English, right?
Hey,
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
"30 minutes into the ride, I realized that all the fuel I bought in Maradi was totally drained, so I came to this filling station to buy fuel. A mechanic was there and he told me that there was a problem with my bike and that I should take it to his workshop, which was across the road.
You want to buy another one? Where? How much is it?
Down. What? That's not what I'm doing.
Yeah? Tell me in French.
Yeah,
30 minutes after, he had bought and replaced the fuel filter and I was ready to leave.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
My body was aching badly and riding was difficult. I asked the mechanic if there was a hotel nearby, so he told this bike man to follow me so he could show me the closest one.
Hotel.
That's a hotel. Wait.
Oh, okay. I want to get the room.
You speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your room. Eh? Make one room.
Yes, I want one room.
Okay. Go and see.
Okay.
Say you do what about.
But it is closed. I should go there.
Oh.
Okay.
I went in to check the rooms but didn't feel safe in them, so I decided to leave.
I get to Beninconi, I want to get a hotel. My bike is very hot. Like the seat, the chair. Okay, so just call me when you get to Beninconi. So I just stopped now. Because my head is aching so badly. My mouth hot. Every time I turn my head in my helmet, this place hot. I feel like I'm losing sensation on my legs. My back hurts, everything hurts. And I'm reading about 90 minutes, 1.5 hours away from the accident scene. It was a bad idea to continue riding because the place it happened was a remote place. There was no hotel. Now they are coming, they've come 2 hours away from Maradi. I know I'm on a dangerous vehicle and that's obviously why the community is so helpful. Because we all understand ourselves. But I feel blessed to be part of this community. So now I'm going to the next town. I've told them to meet me at the next town. So I'll go look for a hotel there. I am in a hotel now, of sorts. One of the bikers who was sent to meet me is here. So we are supposed to go to the hospital because I can't move my neck. I don't feel good at all.
From the yeah.
Their president there, right in Niamey, is controlling everything here. There are people still coming from Maradi. The bikers right here in Beninconi, they've already located me. I feel like the universe intentionally planted me in the biking community because it knew that I need support that I don't already have. So they're about to take me to the hospital. I can only open my mouth as much as I want to talk. The moment I try to open it wider, I feel this sharp pain and then in my head.
While my bike was being taken to the mechanic's workshop, I was taken to the hospital.
So we've just finished at the hospital. And we are going back now. This car is for me, this car is for me. They are all bikers.
After riding with me out of Maradi in the morning, Abdulkadir came with his dad back to Beninconi when he knew that I had an accident.
Is this my bike? My bike. My bike is now with skeleton. Thank you so much. God bless you. You've done so much for me today. Came all the way 3 hours. They've been here with me for over 3 hours, 4 hours, and now they're just leaving. It's almost 6 now. I feel so blessed and loved.